Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're doing well. So I welcome you again to your social studies class, and today we'll do question answers of chapter number 12. And the name of the chapter is Healthy Living, Role of Instruments and Machines. So first of all, we'll discuss one worksheet from the chapter, and then we'll do textbook question answers. So let's start with worksheet first of all. First of all, we'll do some multiple choice questions, that is MCQ. And the first MCQ is, on clinical thermometer there is a scale printed on a scale between, options are 90 degree Fahrenheit to 100 degree Fahrenheit, 92 degree Fahrenheit to 110 degree Fahrenheit, 95 degree Fahrenheit to 110 degree Fahrenheit, and 92 degree Fahrenheit to 120 degree Fahrenheit. So the correct answer is 95 degree Fahrenheit to 110 degree Fahrenheit. Alright. Question number 2 is, the discovery of quinine helped to eradicate which of the following diseases? And the options are chickenpox, malaria, tuberculosis, or asthma. And the correct answer is malaria. Question number 3 is, who among the following introduced the use of chloroform in medicine? And the options are Louis Pasteur, Alexander Fleming, Wilhelm Conrad, or James Simpson. And the correct answer is James Simpson. James Simpson introduced the use of chloroform in medicine. Question number 4 is, a substance that helps to prevent infection in wounds by killing germs is called, and the options are antibiotics, surgery, antiseptic, or pasteurization. And the correct answer is antiseptic. It is used to prevent infection in wounds by killing germs. And the last MCQ is, the process of making something free from bacteria or other microorganisms is called cleaning, sterilization, surgery, or none. And the correct answer is sterilization. Now the question number 2 of the worksheet is fill in the blanks, and the first blank is, modern education, advancement in medicines, and new technologies have made the life of the people dash. And the answer is more protected and healthy. The next sentence is, surgeons can look inside the body using a narrow tube called endoscope. Okay. The next sentence is, nowadays microscopes are widely used by doctors for examining urine, stool, blood, and sputum. Fourth is, full form of EEG is echoelectrocardiography. Sentence number 5 is, surgery is performed by a specialist doctor called surgeon. Sentence number 6 is, full form of ECG is echocardiography. And the last sentence is, in ancient times we used to guess the temperature either by touching the body or feeling the pulse. Now the next question is true or false, and the first statement is, the normal temperature of human body is 36 degrees Celsius. So is it true or false? It is false, because the normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius. The sentence number 2 is, the stethoscope helps in identification of different types of germs. Is it true or false? It is false, because the microscope helps in identification of different types of germs. Alright. Third is, eucalyptus controlled the spread of influenza. Yes, it is true. Sentence number 4 is, Dr. Edward Jenner used to practice in a small town in Europe. It is false, because he used to practice in a small town in England. Okay. And the last sentence is, flea glass became popular in Europe. Yes, it is true. So now we'll do some extract based question answers, and the extract from the chapter is, James Simpson introduced the use of chloroform in medicine. It is used to make a person unconscious. Before an operation, a person is made unconscious so that he does not feel pain. With the discovery of chloroform, surgical pain was reduced, but half of the patients died because of the infection of wounds by germs. So the question number 1 is, what is used to make a person unconscious? And the answer is very simple. The chloroform is used to make a person unconscious. Question number 2 is, how was the surgical pain reduced? And the answer is, before an operation, a person is made unconscious to reduce the surgical pain. And the last question is, why did half of the patients die? And the answer is, half of the patients died because of the infection of wounds by germs. So these were the answers of the worksheet, and now we'll do textbook question answers. And first of all, we'll do very short question answers. So the question number 1 is, what do you know about surgery? And the answer is, surgery means repair, removal or replacement of the damaged part of the body. Surgery was practiced even in ancient times in India. Surgery is performed by a specialist doctor called surgeon. So here I have given you 3 points for this question. However, it comes under very short answer type question. So if it is of 1 mark, you can just give the meaning of surgery. And if it comes under 3 marks question, so then you can mention all the 3 points. Question number 2 is, who are responsible for different diseases? And the answer is, germs are responsible for different diseases. Question number 3 is, who used chloroform in medicine? And the answer is, James Simpson used chloroform in medicine. Question number 4 is, define antibiotics. And the answer is, a substance that kills germs is called antibiotics. Question number 5 is, what is stethoscope? And the answer is, the stethoscope is an instrument used to find out the functioning of lungs and heart. Now we'll do short answer type questions, and the question number 1 is, write a short note on the microscope. And the answer is, Galileo, an Italian scientist, invented microscope. Things look very big through microscope. Nowadays, microscopes are widely used by the doctors for examining urine, stool, blood, sputum, etc. Question number 2 is, name some machines used to find the diseases. And the answer is, X-ray machines, ultrasound machines, CT scanners are some of the machines used to find the diseases. Question number 3 is, what is chloroform used for? And the answer is, chloroform is used to make person unconscious. With the discovery of chloroform, surgical pain was reduced. James Simpson introduced the use of chloroform in medicine. Question number 4 is, what are the basic healthcare measures? And the answer is, keep your surroundings clean, eat clean and nutritious food, do some exercise regularly, drink clean water, keep the drainage system free from germs. Question number 5 is, who was Louis Pasteur? State his contribution in the field of medicine. And the answer is, Louis Pasteur was a French scientist who observed that the germs get killed at high temperature. This technique of killing germs at high temperature is called pasteurization. Louis Pasteur also discovered the vaccine of dog bite. So these were the textbook question answers, and now we'll do 2 extra question answers from the chapter. And the question number 1 is, write a short note on smallpox. About 200 years ago, smallpox was a common disease. Smallpox could spread from one person to another. Dr. Jenner developed preventive medicine for smallpox. It is now called smallpox vaccine. Question number 2 is, write any 3 points on significance of new medicines. And the answer is, the new developments in medicine and surgery have improved the general health of the people. The death rate has fallen, and now we live longer. So these were the question answers and the worksheet of chapter number 12, and this is all for today, and we'll meet once again in a new video with a new topic. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.